So yesterday we did have some supplies marked out in here to take a pullback into this area, but price pushed straight through all of them and no entries to take a sell into here happened. So we're now looking for continuations because this reversal POIs is holding at the moment. We did get an entry here, but then price took us out, but there wasn't any re-entry. I don't really re-enter off this same POI. I wait for new POIs to be formed, which is what we're getting now. So this was the reversal POI. We're now going to be getting the continuation POIs. And the only area to continue from is here. So the only POI to continue from is here. There is one here, but I don't really like this one. We've just got the liquidity's been swept now, so it's quite far away. I don't like to take liquidity that's too far away, and also this hasn't taken out this high. This low has taken out this high over here and this high over here, so this one's much better. Happy to take buys from here. There's no pullback POIs. They're old ones up here, but there's no pullbacks at all. If price comes all the way up to here, then we're going to probably more likely to continue. So all these ones are invalid. These were just areas that I marked at the time when we got pullbacks, but price didn't come into price didn't pull back into these areas. So these are going to be reaction points for when price is continuing to take out the overall high. So we'll get rid of them. We do have PPI today, but that is not a news event that I stay out of. I'm happy if the entry happens half an hour before it, then I'll leave it till after, but I'm not worried about getting into it like now before it. So date today is the 15th. Phase C buys, just continuation. Currently in drawdown, so I'll be doing 5 risk on my trades. And 2 POIs. Happy to take them at both. So yeah, this is the daily analysis for GER40 this morning. There's not really, it's pretty straightforward. We've had our overall high time for banker structure up here. We've pulled down into reversal POI. We've took a trade there for the reversal, but we then got stopped out. Price is now holding on this reversal POI, and we've got new POIs being formed to continue that trade, to continue the current price action. So yeah, that's it for GER40 this morning.